afternoon. 12:03. Good afternoon, everyone. It's Sunday, the 22nd of October, I believe. It's a brisk 49 degrees, and it was sunny earlier, but now it's clouding up, and we're in red, as you can see. And I think it's supposed to drop down into the 30s.
Tonight and tomorrow.
Tonight, yeah. Tonight, tomorrow morning till whatever. We have a freeze watch. Woo! So, we're out for a little ride and to pick up some items. So stay tuned. Hopefully we'll find some foliage. It didn't take us long. It's not going to take us long. Look at that. Wow. It's nice. I'm just playing with the camera, so getting better angles. And we got the mics hooked up on us.
Hopefully they're working.
Yeah, hopefully they're working. I think they should be. They snap together very tight. So stay tuned for more. Yeah, we was coming home last night from the other direction, of course, and coming around the corner, and there was a young buck standing in the middle of the road just looking at us. He looked, and then he just turned away and off into the woods. Glad he went the other direction. But it's time for them to start moving around, so you gotta be careful when you're driving at night. Look at that. Oop, I don't know if I can. Probably not. I don't know which way to turn the camera.
Yeah.
It's just like
it's all around us. That's
boom.
What I say.
Going into the valleys and the mountains. Yeah, I don't know if I can get. Probably not. We'll turn it sideways a little bit. Maybe we can get some scenery over there. Ooh.
That's what I told you.
Yeah. I don't know if we can get that, but it's nice. Woo! That was on the farm yesterday to a Halloween party.
Actually.
Yeah, it's out in here somewhere. And it's like over 500 acres. It used to be where our friend grew up. That's where he lived. His father owned the farm, and now his brother owns it. And it was a beautiful barn that was all
rustic.
Wicked. Put together with pegs, wooden pegs. Pretty neat. Guys out on motorcycles. God bless them. But I think it said it's supposed to go up in the 60s this week. So maybe we can get blue out at least one more time.
Watch out. Construction on road ahead.
And we got the construction. It's a Sunday, but that's all right. Look at that. Ah, the beauty. We could go straight, but we're going to go this way because
then turn right on North Oliver Road.
It's going to be pretty.
Turn right on North Oliver Road.
And this is the road we wanted to go down one day with the bike, and we never did. Wee.
We'll see.
We'll see what it's like.
Turn left on State Route 1035.
Okay, it's all right. It just cuts through the woods. Bumpity bump.
And uppity up.
I was going to say, it looks like a road we've been down, but all these roads like this, they all look the same.
Absolutely.
Oh, I was going to shut it off, but this looks pretty cool. Woo!
You can edit.
You see what we see. Do you see what we see? Oh. Mm-hmm. Ah, yes.
I was in a Mini Cooper, I'd be all over the road, but thank God I get a truck.
Yeah. Some of the roads we go down, you need the four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Or a truck, because you get the clearance. The clearance. Mm-hmm. All right, till some more. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. There's nothing else to say but besides, wow. And I got the swivel mount on.
Wow.
Yes. We're trying to give you the best views that we see. But it doesn't always work out.
At times we're just lost for words. And all you can say is wow.
Well, up here, we're
I know.
lost most of the time. Some of the roads that take us on, we can't figure out. Let's see, turn right, then turn left, and it says, looks like we're going back the direction we just came, but
Yeah.
I don't know. It's like other places. You can't get there from here. Gotta go around the mountain. Wow!
Wow. That was bright.
Bright. It comes into brightness. Hope you're enjoying this. Zippity doo dah. There we go. Whee! Railroad tracks. Okay. Glad you come along with us on our shopping quest.
Yeah.
I'm learning to take the GoPro with us every time we get in the truck. But I forgot the remote there, so I gotta turn it on and off manually.
We remembered the microphone, so that was that was one.
Hey.
Just wrap it around it. Don't forget it.
Just leave it in the truck. This looks like a bumpy railroad track.
And I really think we've been on this road
Yes.
with Bob and Amy.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Until the next clip. Keep watching. Ooh. Wow. I'm sorry, but we have to turn it back on. It's just... This is a foliage trip for 2023. We got quite a few good clips.
In half a mile.
So make sure
Turn right
you
on State Route
go
85.
back and check them out. And let us know what you think.
What, same time last year we were
Yeah.
Maryland and
Oh yeah.
New York. And
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it was as cold though.
Well, we hit some rain. It was chilly. Yeah, we
That
got
was
some
bad.
bad rain. But yeah, I was up in this area a year ago, just
Bloomsbury.
in Bloomsburg area, just checking things out.
Turn right on State Route 85.
It was cool.
Mm-hmm.
And we liked it up here, so we moved. Doesn't get any better than that. And people ask, why did you move out here? Well, you're seeing it.
Yeah.
I know New Hampshire has a lot of nice colors, and Vermont and stuff.
Turn
But-
left on Margaret Road.
But this is a little bit slower pace, I think.
Yeah. Then New Hampshire, yeah.
Yeah.
And Vermont.
I don't know how, but it's, and it's almost the same type of country. You can't get there from here.
In 1,000 feet.
Yeah,
Turn
we're
left.
turning. We're sneaking through all the little side roads to get to where we're going.
Turn left on Margaret Road.
We're heading to Indiana. By the back roads.
Yeah.
Continue straight for 8 minutes to US 422.
There we go.
Figure we give it a shot.
Back roads are cool. Well, there is some good foliage on the highways, so.
Yeah.
Up here, there's foliage everywhere. And I thought it was going to come a week or so ago, and now it's really cool. I think this is it. This is the peak. Okay, enough of me jibber jabbering, and I will wait till the next clip. Whoop. I'm not touching it because this looks neat. I'm sorry, I can't help it.
Kind of looks like a ski trail, but
I think it's for gas lines or something. I don't know. I don't know. It's just
it's cool.
they got gas lines up here and power lines that run through over the mountains.
That's in the power lines. Be a real cool. This little sled hill. Have fun on that. Whee!
Yep. They got plenty of gas up here, just that the pump's not pumping because of great regime that's in the
Yeah.
in control of our country. They'd rather spend the money and buy
Electric cars.
buy the fuel and oils and from overseas because they get a kickback. They don't get that in local. Our government is so crooked.
Anyways.
Okay.
We're not having a governmental discussion. Save that for TikTok.
This looks pretty. Little bit of water over here. Oops. Straighten it out. Woo. Okay. Yeah, I knew it was coming sooner or later. We just got enough sun to make it poof. But, all right. Different look, see.
You just repeated me, that's all.
Yeah, I repeat reader a lot. She said, "Oopsie, looksy." From sunshine to cloudy, overcast, and rain.
But beautiful colors.
Yep, yeah, colors are still pretty. Whee!
Sorry. Happens.
This is the hill, the wee hill. Yeah, I know, we're crazy.
I think it's like more like the wee road.
The wee road, wee road. to get some low clouds coming in. Okay, you've seen enough rain.
Yeah.
There might be something good coming through here. The rain stopped anyways. Wow, wee! I don't know how far I can get. Going down a steep hill. The car's, truck's downshifting. Oops, get straight. Ah, ears popped.
Wicked.
Oh.
Pop.
Pop up. Mm-hmm. Well, that was enjoyable for us. Home, sweet home. Our foliage is disappearing.
Oh, I guess so.
Wow. Our tree, the wind is taking our tree. Wow.
Yeah.
Look at the leaves come off the...
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Living in the valley.
But it's still beautiful up on the hill.
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love